Hey there! So tell me, do you want to create stunning and fully customizable tables on WordPress Editor? Well, do you want to get a full toolkit for creating such tables that the default table block is missing on WordPress? Well, let's proceed and see how you can get access to such toolkits. And for these purposes, we're going to use the Tableberg plugin, and here's what you can do with it, and here is what it brings to the table. So these are all the features that you need, right? It's very responsive. You can place your images, buttons, and lists right into your table. Yes, it's possible. And it will make your website more SEO friendly. Well, if you want to see more specific features, let's check out this table here as well. So these are the features that the table block, so this is the default WordPress editor block that offers. And here you can only put text and images, while the list expands with Tableberg block. And here you can add not only text and image, but also buttons, lists, star reading, icons, ribbons. It also has responsive settings. You can choose the color customizations, the color palette, add padding, alignment, etc., etc. Well, now let's test these features that we have here in action on my WordPress dashboard. And now I'm on my WordPress dashboard, and here I've already installed and activated Tableberg. So first we're gonna test the free version of Tableberg, and then we'll move on to the premium version. Okay, once the plugin is activated, you simply need to head to pause and create a new one. And here let's name it watches, because we're gonna make a table on watches. Hitting this plus and search for Tableberg, and you can see it immediately appeared right here. First we need to choose the columns and the rows. So it's gonna be 4 to 5, and it's ready. So here, first let's name the sections here. So it's gonna be devices or watches. Then it's gonna be the features, rating, and pricing. Well, here we can choose the alignment of the text here. We can make it bold, right? You can choose the alignment, you can copy it, you can paste it. Let's say we want center alignment. Let's also add images of our watches. Here, one. And then again, you can do the same with this. You can customize the size, you can choose the alignment of your image. Let's add the rest. Done with the images. That's great. You may say you can do this with the default table block as well, but here's where the great things start. So here in these features, we can have actually listing. Okay, so let's say the height, the width, and the material, let's say. Okay, and we can simply copy and paste this for the rest. And here we can add a rating. So let's say it's 4 out of 5, 30.5 out of 5, 4.5 out of 5, and 5 out of 5. Okay. And for the pricing, let's say we want to add a button, the other great feature that Tableberg offers. So here, let's say, see the price. And here we can choose the width, the length. 27% it is, it's great. And let's add for the rest. Great, and one last time here. Great, so this is a very nice table and it's already very nice, but let's say we want to make it even more stunning. Well, that's possible with the Pro version of Tableberg. And now let's go and activate the Pro version and do the rest. And now that I've activated the Pro version of the Tableberg plugin, let's proceed and see what else we can do with this plugin. So I've duplicated the same table and we're going to work on that to then later on compare these two and see what we got as end results. Okay, so here in this feature section, we have a listing of features basically, right? So what if we want to make this a bit more appealing? And that's where the styled listing comes in. So here we're adding a block of styled list. And here we're naming the items. It's gonna be height, then the width, and the material. And we can copy this for the rest. And this rating, okay, so here we have numbers, not really visually appealing. What if I want to add a star rating? And that's completely possible. That's where we are searching for star rating. And here, first we can choose it right from here. If not, we can put the number right here. So our first one was 4, and that's exactly 4. Let's add also for the rest. The second one is 3.5. And we have 4.5 and 5. And 5. Great. So tell me that it's really more appealing and more catchy, right? Okay, let's now also proceed to pricing. And here we can again add the buttons, but we also have the option to customize this button and add something else. So let's say see price on Amazon. Okay, so let's again choose the alignment as centered. Then let's also head to coloring and customize the text. Okay, so the text is going to be white and the hovering text is going to be this gray color. I want the background color to stay the same, but we can also choose a hovering background color. So it can be maybe, we can also go to gradient and we can choose something like this. I really think it's appealing, but then we need to change the hover text. So let's say, great. I think I like this one. Okay, but here we can also add, see, typing icons. And here you can choose from this list of icons. So let's say I'm choosing this Amazon. And here you can tell me that it's really way more appealing, way more to the point. So I know it's Amazon immediately without even reading the button text. So I know how good it is without looking at the numbers. And I know what's included in this with these check marks. So we can use this icon for different purposes. We can put it here. For example, if we have a feature list, then we can use these icons. Let's say to put these marks for each feature that is available. So let's say this row belongs to our features, and here we can have the check marks to state that this is available for this plan or for this feature. And that's great. Also, one last thing that we have here is this ribbon. Right. Okay, so let's say this item is discounted or maybe on sale or whatever, maybe out of stock or in stock again. Let's say it's discounted. Then you can type discounted here, and you can choose the position, you can choose the size, and you can choose the coloring. So let's say it should be something very catchy. So let's say the text color can be this and something like this. This is how I imagine. But this is very useful. For example, if we want to specifically attract our customers to this product, then we can add this ribbon. Okay, so give me some time so that I can fully customize this table, and we'll compare it for the last time. And now the tables are ready. This is the table fully done with the free version of the Tableberg plugin, and this is done with the premium version. And you can immediately see the difference between their appearances, both in terms of the structure, in terms of the appealing appearance. And this is still good though. But here, for example, instead of just points, we have styled list, and instead of just numbers, we have an actual rating with stars. And we also have icons that directly tell us that this is selling on Amazon, or this is selling on Facebook or somewhere else. And here, with the help of this ribbons as well, we can choose where we want to concentrate the attention of our customers on. And this is really amazing. Let's scroll one more time and you can see it yourself. Well, that's it about Tableberg, the plugin that will help you create fully customizable tables on WordPress and use it for various purposes. And if you've still got any questions concerning it, don't forget to drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to not miss out any of our upcoming videos. And I'll see you next time and have a nice day. Bye bye.